Hello, my name is Owen Reddy, and my BioBits topic is about pollution, which is a severe problem that must be addressed.
Over the years, we have learned that pollution is a critical issue affecting our health, environment, and climate. According to the article from NASA Climate Kids, pollution comes in many forms, from the smokestacks of factories to the exhaust pipes of vehicles, from water contamination to the proliferation of plastic. If we want to save the earth from pollution, we should learn all the different types of pollution to understand what needs to be done to solve these issues. One of the most well-known types of pollution is air pollution. Air pollution refers to greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change and affecting the entire planet. This type of pollution poses a significant public health risk, leading to respiratory diseases, cardiovascular problems, and increased mortality rates. The most vulnerable and affected populations are children and the elderly. The ozone layer is a greenhouse gas that can be both good and bad for our environment. It all depends on where it is in Earth's atmosphere. As the ozone layer is higher up in our atmosphere, it is good because it helps block harmful energy from the sun, which is called radiation. But when the ozone layer is closer to the ground, it can be awful for our health. According to an article from NASA Climate Kids, ground-level ozone is created when sunlight reacts with certain chemicals that come from sources of burning fossil fuels, such as factories or car exhaust. When particles in the air combine with the ozone layer, they create smog, a type of air pollution that looks like smoky fog and makes it difficult to see. Addressing air pollution requires coordinated local, national, and global efforts, including regulations, cleaner technologies, and increased public awareness. Another well-known type of pollution is water pollution. Water pollution contaminates water bodies such as rivers, lakes, oceans, and groundwater, harming ecosystems and human health. It occurs when harmful substances, often pollutants, are introduced into water sources. The improper disposal of plastics and other solid waste can lead to littering in water bodies, harming aquatic life and polluting the water. According to the United Nations, plastic is forever. Plastic waste can take anywhere from 20 to 500 years to decompose. And even then, it never fully disappears. It just gets smaller and smaller. Ingesting plastic can lead to malnutrition, internal injuries, and even death. Addressing plastic pollution is crucial for protecting aquatic biodiversity and maintaining healthy ecosystems. Reducing plastic use, improving waste management, and promoting recycling can help mitigate these impacts. A third well-known type of pollution is land pollution. Land pollution is the degradation of the Earth's land surfaces caused by human activities and natural disasters. It involves soil and land contamination due to various pollutants, affecting ecosystems, human health, and the environment. Addressing pollution requires a multifaceted approach, including reducing emissions, improving waste management, and promoting sustainable practices. Governments, businesses, and individuals must collaborate to implement practical solutions. One solution that might help stop pollution is transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, which can significantly reduce air pollution. Also, implementing stricter regulations on industrial emissions and encouraging sustainable agricultural practices can mitigate water and soil pollution. If we want to try to save the health of our planet and future generations, we need to make these changes. By working collectively to mitigate pollution, we can create a healthier, more sustainable world for all living beings.